Hi viewers, welcome you all. Today I am going to show you how to prepare Rava Dosa, Sooji Dosa, Semolina Dosa from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Ingredients for Rava Dosa: Sooji, Rava 3/4 cup, all-purpose flour 1/4 cup or Maida, rice flour 2 cup, yogurt 1/4 cup, cumin seed 2 teaspoon, pepper 2 teaspoon. While putting in the batter, it should be crushed. Small piece of ginger, green chilli 1 number. If you want more spicy, you can add 1 more or 2 more. Onion 2 number. We are going to prepare the batter now for Rava Dosa. Rice flour. So we are making batter for Rava Dosa. We have to prepare and keep for half an hour. This is Sooji, Rava 3/4 cup. Then all-purpose flour, Maida. Mix the flours well for the batter. It should be kept for 30 minutes approximately. Rava Dosa, onion Rava Dosa. You're going to add the curd now, yogurt. So we should mix for the dosa batter consistency. Salt to taste. Going to add the water. This is for the batter, Rava Dosa batter, onion Rava Dosa. It's very tasty dosa. I have showed you before Bhajra dosa and Sada dosa. This is Rava Dosa. The batter should be mixed well. There should be no lumps. This mixture should be kept for 30 to 45 minutes. The consistency is not like Sada dosa. It should be diluted more. I will show you later. Time being, this will do. Keep this batter for half an hour. We are going to prepare the batter for Rava Dosa. So it's already prepared and kept. Now 30 minutes over. I'm going to put black pepper, crushed black pepper, cumin seed, green chilli, chopped ginger, finally chopped onion. So it should be mixed for the pouring consistency. It will be little bit watery than ordinary batter for dosa. I'm going to mix. I'm going to add water with this one to get the pouring consistency. See, it should be fried in medium flame. The dosa should be prepared in medium flame from the starting till the end. Check the salt and add if you require more. See, it should be prepared in this consistency. See, just like a water. It's not as idli or dosa batter, normal idli or dosa batter. It's watery. So to prepare each and every dosa, you have to mix the batter well and you have to pour the batter. Otherwise it will be water on the top. The semolina, Sooji, Rava will be settled in the bottom. So you have to mix when you are making dosa. So we're going to prepare the dosa. The tawa get heated up. We're going to pour the batter. Rava dosa. So you have to pour in the sides like this first, then in the middle. See, have to do like this. At the time only it will come correctly. It should be fried in medium flame from the start till the beginning. You fry the one side completely, then the other side. You have to put light oil on the ends. So if you are using non-stick, it's not required also. So let one side fried completely, then we will turn to the other side to fry. Rava dosa from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. It will take time. It's not like normal dosa. It will take time to fry. Have to fry one side completely, then we will turn to the other side. It's not like other dosa. In other dosa, you are pouring the batter on the center and you are giving circular motion using the spatula. In this one, it's not possible. You have to pour the batter on the sides, then on the center. No need to do the circular motion. It's not possible in this batter. Rava dosa. See, it should be fried at this stage. See, all the ends are fried properly. Now you can turn to the other side. Rava dosa. It's very tasty and healthy. It's a mixture of all-purpose flour, rice flour and rava with black pepper, cumin seed, green chilli, ginger and onion. Rava dosa is ready now. It's fried. Rava dosa from Veggie Recipes Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.